Hello YouTube, Dano here. Yeah, was out on Kijiji again. Yeah, I really do gotta stay away from that platform. But, you know something? When you can find a deal, you can find a deal. Alright, so what we're looking at here is a purchase I made the other day. There is 8 wrenches here. And yes, 2 of them are the same. You see that? Yeah, there we go. That's definitely the older one. Yeah, we have someone's name engraved in it. So 2 snap-on 3/4 inch. You got a snap-on 15. USA made. We got a 12 snap-on Canadian made. We have a 10 Canadian made snap-on. And Canadian made. Oh, come on, focus. Let's try it. Canadian made Blue Point. You see that very well. 5/16. Then we got Canadian made gray 12 mil. And a Canadian made gray 1/2 by 9/16. Oh well, that was a pretty good buy. Ended up picking the lot up for $30, which I thought was a pretty darn good deal. Seeing how lots of guys have got one wrench up for $30. And this gray stuff is quite good. Yeah, snap-on's always good. And Blue Point. But in any case, that's what I've come across in the last little while. And as much as I say, I try not to troll on kijiji. I kind of find it interesting. Actually, I check out a lot of the wanted ads. And I've actually done pretty good getting rid of some stuff that way. Alright, in any case, yeah, I'm just going to do a short one here. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. And if you must, I do have a Facebook. Mind you, it's not very much on there, but if you like, go check it out. All right, Dano out.